My name is Kelly Capps. I go to Campo High School, and my video was Cougar Cafe. Our video was about the Cougar Cafe that we have here at Del Campo, and it's this group of kids that make food for teachers and staff and students. You see how all these kids work together to make this really great program that we have here, and it's just a lot of camaraderie that you see throughout all of it between the kids and the teachers and everyone that helps out with it. My favorite part about shooting it was definitely meeting the kids in there because they were super nice and they were so glad every time we came in there. They were so happy to see us. They were like, "Hi guys," and they were just happy to be on camera and happy that their program was getting out there and we were going to be talking about it on the news. I think video is a very key thing in communication because it's not just somebody saying something to you. Like, you get the inside look on it. You get the interviews of the actual kids and their actual stories. It expands it so much. It shows you what happens.
The program was started by the state of California to help students transition out of high school. It's called Workability.
My name is Connor Wilson and I'm in the 12th grade.
Mahogany, and I'm a senior.
My name is Clyde Ybarra and I am a senior here at Del Campo High School.
I've been doing DC Cafe since my junior year and it's been really fun.
Since the first day of school.
I've been doing it for about almost a month now. It's been feeling like second nature to me. It's like something I could just get used to, something I can do.
But the program teaches me experience on a job and basically in the work site.
It's a learning experience for me. It makes me want to learn. It makes me want to adapt to what it is that I'm doing. I just want to make myself better for it.
It teaches you how to communicate. It gets you used to like the work field, so you kind of have a head start.
My favorite part about working in the cafe is that we're all a team and we get a lot of camaraderie with everyone in there.
I was a coordinator. It teaches you money management, and with your crew, it gets you more involved. So like when you do start working in the real world, you're not so, shy.
My favorite part about working in the cafe is having to know all the great people there and having to interact with them. Knowing that they're happy just brings a smile on my face.
We've been getting rumors about us saying how we are unclean and we're very unkempt, and I'm just here to let you know that we're not. We are very professional and organized. Every day we get up, we go wash our hands. We always wear hairnets and gloves when handling any type of food or a food product. We keep doing what we do, that's what we should be doing. We shouldn't let some words distract us on what our job's supposed to be.
Usually the students come in thinking that they'll never work, or work is some sort of a strange place that other people do. And then after their first day off campus, they usually are very happy because they realize, yes, I can do this too.